May 18th update, so I guess it'd be over 2 months, and these things are loaded. I mean, they're loaded. Coming on very powerful. Had to do some tweaking on the soaker hose. This is what I use to fertilize. Right there. There's a strawberry right there. That's finally got my irrigation set up. Basically the soaker hose doesn't work, so I unscrewed the top just a little bit, like that. So it would drip, and it's working, obviously. You can tell that it's working. It's working very good. And yeah, I'm pretty happy. Get stuff like this going on, where the limbs like broke because there's too many strawberries on it. You can come around to this side. Fully loaded, 150 plants, and I would say at least 100 and, I don't know, maybe 130 or 135 are doing really good. So yeah, that's what it looks like from this angle here. Okay, it's the rest of the garden right there. Marigolds around my beans and everything else. Peppers, raspberries, blackberries and blueberries around the other side of the house. There you have it. That's the update.